Hello folks, how are we? Just to try to see is this burnishing tool working or not. I made that long time ago. I just wonder, is it doing something or is it not? Let's see. Let's change the gear to something slower. Something like that. Let's see what it's doing. I tell you what, it's doing nothing because it's not where it should be. Okay, let's have another approach. 2 seconds. Let me pause you for a second. Let's see what it does now. I lifted up the thing on the proper spot. Okay, let's do it. Try two. This sucker has run out of the oil. No, it's not. Oh my. That is a different story. Okay. Let's pause that just so we can see the difference. Mate, that is something. This is a buggered up part because I overshoot there, but this is what I'm after. Once I go twice over it, maybe let me show you a little bit closer, something like that. I hope you can see that. That's a huge difference, huge difference. Let's finish that off. Does a better job with the oil. I like it. Would you look at that? That's a finished product, folks. That's almost like a chrome road. That's fucking awesome. Here you go, folks. Homemade shit. I mean, tool. Thank you for watching.